Alright guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another Blog Tech Tips. In today's tutorial guys, I'll show you how to reduce the power consumption of your TV, and this applies to any TV. This one is a LG, and of course there is an energy saving settings, but the more effective way is to manually set your TV to a setting that will reduce its power consumption. Now it's something I've come to realize. I've used my a power meter that I have to verify. And the main thing that's consuming power on your TV is the backlight that controls the brightness. So in order to save a lot of power on your TV, this is what you do. So first of all, you're going to get your remote. You can see here this remote. Go to settings. Once you're in settings, you can go ahead and go down to all settings. Once you go down to all settings, as seen here, you're going to go over to picture. And once you're on picture, notice there's a bunch of options. Go to advanced settings and you can see go to brightness. Now brightness is actually the thing that's causing your TV to consume a lot of power. For mine it was at 100, and at that rate I think it was consuming something like 70 plus watts, and I reduced without affecting much the brightness all the way down to 30%. That's where I have mine set. And once I have selected or reduced the brightness to 30%, I've noticed that the consumption was about half. So where I was 70 watts, I think it was reduced to something like 30, maybe 40 watts. And that's a significant reduction. I've done that on 2 of our TV sets. So of course, it does work across 2 different brands. And what you do is just go ahead and turn it down. From 100, yours is most likely 100, reduce it to like say 30. I've already done it here, so I don't need to do it again. And once you do that, what's going to happen is that the TV set is going to consume way less power. Alright, so now if you go back to settings, so like for example all settings as seen here, and you go down to general, and in general you can go to energy saving. Now that's showing you something here. Right, so on the general energy saving, and as I was saying, I was showing you something. It's basically the same thing. Energy saving I have on mine off because just adjusting the brightness, it's enough to save a lot of power. So energy saving basically does the same thing. Notice it indicates minimum brightness to 5 there. So it does adjust back and forth, but I find that if you set a set value, you do get a better performance instead of using your variable energy saving settings. So it's best to manually set your energy saving. So my energy saving is set to off, but I have the brightness turned down, and that is enough to significantly cut your power consumption of your TV like by half and save a lot on electricity. If you have any questions, please ask them below. As always, Ricardo from Blog Tech Tips saying bye until next time. Bye.